Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to the unboxing for the Unity Stamp Kit of the month for July. And this is how it is. It came like this. I mean, it was in the packaging, but it came like this. I'm a little bit excited for this one. Wonder and Dreamer has already told me, oh my goodness, what it came with. This one is very adorable. Unlike last month's, or the one that I was like, mm-mm. But you got these little, this is cute. Look at that. Can't see it. I try not to put it too close just in case someone picks the images up and wants to, do whatever. I can't wait to craft these. Oh, I have an idea already for this one. We got Santa and the reindeer. Got a grumpy cat. I think they're called Grumpus from the Grumpy Cat that had like a facial feature. That's why the bone was missing. Then we got these three chickens. Just us chickens. This is adorable. All right, so let's see. Today's agenda: rest, hydrate, cancel everything. That's how I feel right now. I'm sending calm thoughts and permission to ignore everyone. Sending sweet thoughts your way. So this goes with this one. Some souls leave a little honey where they go. Wherever they go, right here. Shake, rattle, and boo. I'm assuming these are those. Um, Doing a Halloween flyby. Frankly, you're a treat. Just creeping in your way. Cluck or treat. Foul things are happening. Ha 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 ha. Merry crisis. Ugh. The coop is hunted. Act natural. When what to my eyes wondering when what to my eyes wondering did appear, but 10 extra pounds on my thighs and my rear. Okay, that's cute. Okay, and so we have yeah, those go with this one. Yeah, Merry Crisis. This is cute. The reindeer is inside of a wreath. I like this one. I like all of them. Yeah, all of them are cute. Let's see what they have did, and we'll look at the size of the stamp. So they did the creepy tags, which is cute. I have recently gotten some dies. I have fruit flies going on in the house, y'all. Anyway, I'm so sorry. I was aiming for that thing, wasn't I? I have some dies. I'm gonna start using my die cut machine again, maybe. And then these two, it says foul things are happening. I like this. Oh look, so this is a blue chicken with white tags. Very interesting. Very interesting. And then they gave us these free things, which I always tell you, if you're buying something from a company, is it really free? You can argue with me if you like about it being free, but would they send it to you without paying for shipping? Right? I don't know. They went crazy. If this is everything we get in this thing, I feel like they went a little bit nicely. This is some nice paper. This is really cute. We hope you are enjoying your Kid of the Month membership. Here's this month's thank you for your continued support. Now, someone, well, they all get stuff, right? But I actually need to buy some tags, y'all. So we got some purple tags, these two little papers, which are cute as heck. Um, I like these a lot. Oh, these are nice. These are nice, very nice. So let's see what they gave us. We got two different. So this is what you could get, right? This is not everything you can get, but they have black and purple. So white, blue, and purple bats, and we got the blue one. And then so the spider web is purple. This is orange, and this looks like eyes. We did not get eyes at all. And then we got two tags, which is what they gave us. And then we got all these little cut aparts. And it says more paper options included, which we didn't get those. But you probably can go on their website and see. I mean, You could always find an orange thing on net for free. But this is probably one of the better gifts, free, quote unquote, free gifts that we have gotten. And let's go ahead and check out the images. So I am very intrigued by this flower and bees, not because it's flower and bees, but because it's sunflowers. And we got this, which is pretty decent size. All of them are nice size too. Very, very nice size. The sentiments, you can't win them all. But anyway, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this. Until next time, happy crafting.